Welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix the application was unable to start correctly and the error code is 0xc0000135 on Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are getting this type of error, the application was unable to start correctly on Windows 11, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to open the command prompt window. For that, you need to click on Start menu, then type here CMD and right click on CMD and click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes to allow. Here you need to type some of the commands what I will provide in my description link. You just copy paste from there. You can see these are the commands you will get in the video description link. Just select, copy and paste here. Just right click on the top of the command prompt window, click on edit and click on paste and hit enter. Guys, you need to wait until it will complete the process. It will take some time to complete the process. Guys, you can see here the 100% has been completed, the operation completed successfully. After that, you just need to copy the second command and paste it here. Just right click on top of the window, click on edit and paste. After that, hit enter. You can see the second command process has been completed. Just copy the third command, right click, click on edit and paste it here. After that, hit enter. You can see this process has been completed. After doing this, just close this window, click on Start menu, then do the second process. For that, click on Start menu, then type here turn Windows feature on or off. You can see here turn Windows feature on or off. Just click to open. In this, you can see here NT framework 3.5 and NT framework 4.8. You have to make sure that these both options are check mark. If it is not checked, then you have to check these both options. After that, click OK. And close this window. Click on OK. Guys, after doing these settings, once you have to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix the application was unable to start correctly and the error code is 0xc0000135 on Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.